The first upside-down house in southeast Nigeria and the second of its kind in West Africa has officially opened at Nike Lake Landmark Resort in Enugu, and Afia TV's correspondent Shekina Anibogu was there and now reports.
So the first upside-down house in Enugu State, the first upside-down house in the southeast, and the second upside-down house in the whole of West Africa, situated here in landmark Nike, and it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. We're going to have a guide to lead us through and give us characteristics of the house, and we have other people to come and check the house out. Let's go.
The unique structure was unveiled amid excitement as tourists, visitors, and media practitioners gathered to witness the ceremony. Designed as a tourism-driven project, the upside-down house offers guests an unusual experience where furniture, household items, and interior fittings appear inverted, creating the illusion of walking through a world turned on its head. According to the developers, the attraction is inspired by culture and innovation with the theme, "Come and Flip Your World," encouraging visitors to embrace new perspectives and experiences. Guests were taken on a guided tour of the facility, exploring its creatively designed rooms and interactive spaces that redefine conventional architecture. The developers say the project will attract visitors from across Nigeria and beyond, further positioning Enugu as a leading tourism destination.
Enugu has been one of the destinations for tourism. So the reason for this house was to enhance tourism in Enugu and tell the world that yes, Enugu is capable of bringing more new things to the state and Nigeria entirely. So, life is all about different perspectives, you get. So one of the reasons why this house was actually invented is to have people come and experience new perspectives in life. Come and flip your world is one of the things we say.
How much fun are you having right now?
100% fun.
Your first time in an upside-down house, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rate your joy from 1 through 10.
Okay, 10 over 10.
Let's imagine you're in the bush, you're running, and then you see an upside-down house, and everything is in there. How long would you survive?
For the rest of my life.
It was really nice and a different experience. I've not been to an upside-down house before, so it was a nice one. It's really nice. I think they're having a growing entertainment industry and a leisure and tourism industry. So having it in Enugu first is really, really nice. This is my first time in Enugu as well, like summer. So it's nice to be here and at an upside-down house.
Standing inside the Southeast First Upside-Down House at Nike Lake Landmark Resort, one thing is clear. Beyond its unusual architecture, this attraction is set to enrich Enugu's tourism landscape by offering visitors a memorable and immersive experience. Shekina Anibogu reporting.